On the 19th of September 2024, members of the Nyotrep National Youth Movement (HNYM) filed an FIR against the Supervisor Veterinary Officer of Ribhoi District, accusing him of illegally establishing a cattle market in Tokarbam village and charging exorbitant fees of Rs 4,000 and Rs 8,000 from two categories of vehicles transporting cattle. Speaking to reporters, HNYM President Ribhoi District Unit Donald Mukte stated that the issue had already been reported to both the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police Ribhoi District, but no action had been taken. The organization is now calling on the police to hold the veterinary officer accountable for his actions.
Mentah kasih kasih yang Ribhoi District kala wan banyak kendu ya ikong kong nong rang moi bidi Director General of Police jongka State of Meghalaya banwan bu ya kene ka FIR mo halo jong kate kayo kabadon hapo kayo bi an lap nong kayo masih kabadon hang te hapo so krabam jong hanjan ka song patar khma hapo jirang konsumsi ya ka jingdon kti ka jong uneu Supervisor Veterinary Officer jong Ribhoi District namar hangne katkum kini kichalan ki bangiyo na kitu kinong supply ki masi te kidon ki ba wan peni ngi kene kichalan ba une Supervisor Veterinary Officer jong Ribhoi District ula ayaki but hangne nyu iba ka jingkrong lani kata sekaba kini ki nong khai masih ki hapan siu kalalong sapalat te nakata katau nakalangan juga seng ngau ban simkia halo juga ne kabenta nama ba nyui katno upat ba jong kajelahi barok kawai ulenyar uud nama kajingkiu jong kimar kimata jong kado tekum kasenghi ngisngeu ban penkan mau sesin bawat nakaliang jong udi siru ulade ban receive mo ya ka jingtho lane ka city ka ba ngila ayu ka ba de bakte ka yeu bi an ka ban hang te po so karbam kumjuru USP jong ka Ribhoi District ulade ban receive ya ka city ka bangitho alo te ka yeu te henry hadin ka jang ai por ka jong nakaliang jong ka seng sita yeu kanthi kak samdun kano kaba nakaliang jong DC ne nakaliang USP hilale te kumta nakaliang jong kaseng nyimban se banle te kikam kiba kaseng kasngeu de banle te ngikerpat mo nakaliang jong DGP ba insimkhia yakane ka jingtho ka FIR ka jongi persya ya une Supervisor Veterinary Officer jong Ribhoi District baki day ban penstom yu namar ba karkiyo kada kayo ko babian ada mangitip ya jisya te kumta ka an kada ban sim ya lakajong ka kamram nyimkwa bakan skut tangkum ni te henringi kwa banakaliang jong ka police department kan le ka badon kam namar ba kum kine kibreu kibawan ra ya ka jingjot kibawan ra ya ka jingduk ka jingkerdu sa hapo ka imlang ka salang ni hapo ka jela ka jongi ngimkwa kum kaseng te badru kidon ru lese kibreu ki baidon ketilang hak tu kakam lese kiru shimet mo ki bakwa ban kamai kikam ar number ho yang kersa hang ni ba kikam ar number hi phila ban le kiru ni kikam tene nyim ko apa de ba kita kam ar number ki jongpi kin kta pan ya uduk usuk ya upat ba jong ka jelahi barok kawe